could we prevent vision loss?
Today, we're going to be diving into 3 foods that can actually help prevent vision loss.
Dr. William Li. He's a renowned physician and scientist whose research has contributed to the creation of over 40 groundbreaking medical treatments, including therapies for vision loss. Dr. Li is a strong believer in the concept of food as medicine, the idea that what we eat has the power to help our bodies heal, protect, and even regenerate. Your eyes are not just lenses, they're living tissue. Inside every eye, tiny blood vessels bring oxygen and nutrients to your retina, the part responsible for seeing light, colors, and detail. But over time, factors like UV exposure, blue light from screens, oxidative stress, inflammation, poor circulation can weaken these structures. This may lead to dry or tired eyes, night vision problems, faster aging of eye tissue, higher risk of macular degeneration or cataracts. Foods rich in antioxidants, polyphenols, healthy fats, and carotenoids can help your eyes defend themselves and, in some cases, support natural repair. Let's walk through the top 3 vision-supporting superfoods inspired by Dr. Li's research. Number 1. Sweet potato.
Sweet potato. I love sweet potato, all right? And sweet potato contains vitamin A, retinol, and this is actually also important for retinal health. And just 1 cup of sweet potato contains, guess what? 1,920 micrograms of retinol activity, which is 213% of what you need for the daily recommended value. So basically, just 1 cup of cooked sweet potato gives you way more than you need to be able to get good, healthy vitamin A, which is good for your eyesight.
Sweet potatoes are one of the most eye-friendly foods you can add to your plate. Their bright orange color comes from beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that your body converts into vitamin A, a nutrient essential for maintaining a healthy cornea and low-light vision. Vitamin A helps prevent dryness of the eyes and supports the normal functioning of the retina. Sweet potatoes also provide lutein and zeaxanthin, carotenoids that concentrate in the macula, where they help filter harmful blue light and reduce oxidative stress. In addition, sweet potatoes are rich in vitamin C, fiber, and potassium, supporting metabolic and vascular health, which indirectly benefits the eyes.
Now, there's a lot of ways to cook sweet potatoes. One of my favorite is as simple, because I like to cook as simply as possible. You can bake them, and you can bake them in the oven. It's kind of put them in the oven and step away. You can wrap them up in foil, step away, do something else, and then they'll be done. And you can actually have a nice, simple sweet potato. Lots of different ways to look at recipes to eat it, but I like it plain. You can also add sweet potatoes to a stew. So if you're making a vegetable stew, you can actually cut up sweet potato and add it in there, and that'll actually lend to, it'll add vitamin A to your stew. You can also make a soup. I actually love sweet potato soup. You can look up the recipe, but I like cooking down the sweet potato with a little onion, a little bit of ginger. I cook it in vegetable broth, makes it nice and soft, and a little touch of coconut milk for richness, a little paprika, apple cider vinegar. You can chop up some apples in there, cook well together, put them into a blender and puree it really, really smooth. That actually is a very nice sweet potato soup. Lots of variations, lots of ways you can spice it up and create the flavor profile a little bit differently. But sweet potatoes, vitamin A, chock full of vitamin A, good for retinal health, good for eyesight, good for protecting your vision.
Number 2. Berries.
Category, so you get to choose your own, all right? Strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, blackberries, lingonberries, you pick your huckleberries, pick your own wherever you are. They are tiny but powerful because the bright colors, the blues, the reds, the oranges, are all caused by, and the amazing flavors that pop out of a ripe berry is caused by these bioactives, polyphenols, the ellagic acid, the anthocyanins, that really, really light up your health in all kinds of different ways. And by the way, for berries, here's something practical. Look, I'm a big believer in going to the farmer's market and buying the seasonal fresh berries, but here's the thing. You can actually get frozen berries, which are less expensive, and you can buy them in bulk and store them in your freezer, easier to deal with, okay? And they have the same bioactive value. They're picked from the field, flash frozen, and you're good. So second, berries. Choose your own. They're all good, fresh or frozen. I'd still recommend that you go for those.
Blueberries are one of the simplest and tastiest foods you can add to your diet to help keep your eyes healthy. These little berries are loaded with powerful antioxidants that help shield your eyes from damage, calm inflammation, and support better blood flow to the retina. Whether you're looking to protect your vision as you get older, or you just want to give your eyes a healthy boost, making blueberries a regular part of your meals is a smart choice. So the next time you're reaching for a snack, grab a handful of blueberries. Your eyes will truly benefit from it. Number 3. Carrots.
We can be more specific. I have carrots, red bell peppers, kale, leafy greens like watercress. Those actually contribute to blood vessel health for your eyes, or to lower the risk that you might have blood vessels going out of control.
Carrots have always been celebrated for supporting eye health, and there's real science behind it. They're packed with beta-carotene, a form of vitamin A that your body relies on to maintain clear vision. Vitamin A helps your retina do its job of sending visual signals to your brain and also protects the cornea, the transparent front surface of your eye. When your body doesn't get enough of it, problems like night blindness can develop, making it harder to see in low-light conditions. But carrots offer even more than that. They're rich in antioxidants that help protect your eyes from oxidative stress, the gradual damage caused by free radicals. Over time, this kind of stress can contribute to issues like cataracts or age-related macular degeneration, so these protective compounds truly matter. Beyond eye health, carrots benefit your body in many other ways. They're high in fiber, low in calories, and full of nutrients that support healthy skin, a stronger immune system, and better heart health. The best part is how easy they are to enjoy. You can snack on them raw, add them to salads, blend them into juices, or cook them into warm, comforting meals. However you like them, carrots make it simple to nourish your body and your eyes in a natural, delicious way. Adding them to your daily routine is a small habit that can help keep your vision clear and your whole body feeling its best. Pair these foods with eye-healthy habits. Take screen breaks. Wear UV protective sunglasses. Maintain hydration. Get quality sleep. Manage blood sugar and cholesterol. Food fuels the body, but habits protect the results. Your eyes are precious, and they're working every second of your life. Nourishing them with the right foods doesn't just support better vision, it helps your body repair, protect, and stay resilient as you age. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Which of these foods will you add to your diet first? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to help more people protect their vision naturally. Thanks for watching, and take care of your eyes.